Averitt Express, honest review, and my user experience with this freight carrier. Shipping freight efficiently is critical for businesses, and Averitt Express claims reliable service across the US. I tested their offerings, and here's my honest experience. Most people assume large freight carriers are impersonal, but the surprising truth is that Averitt Express provides personalized service with scalable options. I booked LTL and full truckload shipments through their website, which is intuitive and provides instant pricing estimates. Tracking is real-time and accurate, giving detailed updates on shipment status. Delivery was timely, and drivers were professional. Customer service is responsive, handling inquiries and special requests quickly. Averitt also offers supply chain solutions, warehousing and logistics support, making them versatile for businesses of all sizes. Pricing is competitive, though costs vary depending on weight, distance, and service type. The only drawback is that smaller regional shipments sometimes require manual scheduling, but overall, the process is smooth and reliable. In conclusion, Averitt Express is a dependable freight carrier with strong service, real-time tracking, and scalable options. For businesses needing consistent shipping solutions, it's a trustworthy choice.